Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP50 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application installs stuck on padding on your Google Play Store. When you have the same problem as mine, cancel this install and go back to the main menu where we open our settings application. Now we scroll down and look for our system and there date and time option. Now we must tap on set time automatically, change it from off to use network provided time. And that's all. We can go back and try install something again, and it's working right now and we can do it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.